This video shows you how to get data from the microbit so that you can share a graph with the rest of your class. So this is actually most easily done if you are not connected to your microbit anymore. So you might have been on a screen like this collecting your data. You want to go back and disconnect your microbit properly. So go right here, and then if it was connected, you would hit disconnect here. And then depending on your device, this will look different, but you need to make the USB ejected from the computer. And then once it's safe, you can disconnect the US or the microbit from the computer, and then you can reconnect it. When you reconnect it, you do not actually have to be in MakeCode. Instead, we're going to go to the files, whatever that looks like on your device, and go to this microbit right here. And then we want mydata.htm, which is going to look like this. And then we'll have some data. You want to go to Visual Preview, and then you can take a screenshot of this data to share it with others.